Step your biracial ass up.
When you see a class of mulattoes beginning to rise, you are now looking at open warfare.
And no, it is not because I'm racist. The reason why I don't like most black women is because they have a lot of masculine characteristics. Most black women are masculine females. They have ambition, they have courage, they have leadership, they have a lot of these masculine characteristics. And I myself, as a masculine man, am not attracted to another masculine woman. I'm attracted to a feminine woman. So this is the reason why I'm not attracted to black women. It's not because I'm racist, no, it's because this is just how most black women are. The exceptions do not disprove the rule. Are there some feminine black women? Yes, but on the contrary, most black women are masculine, and that is why I do not like most black women.